What's the meaning of boxer shorts? Boxer shorts. Boxer shorts.
Boxer shorts. Boxer shorts. Boxer shorts, also known as boxers, are a type of men's underwear that are loose-fitting and have a resemblance to shorts. They usually have an elastic waistband and a button or snap front fly. Boxer shorts can be made from a variety of materials, including cotton, silk, and synthetic blends. They are often worn for comfort and breathability, especially during warmer weather. Some individuals also prefer boxer shorts for the additional support they provide compared to other types of men's underwear. Overall, boxer shorts offer a relaxed and casual style of underwear for men.